The Scan Results dialog box is launched at the end of each scan. The scan dialog has three specific sections. They are Category Summary, Program Summary, and Hits Detected. As you know from the briefing and previous scan demo, that our data sets are broken down by threat category. The category display summarizes how many threats did we detect in each category. To be clear, this is the actual number of suspicious files we detected per category. This directory scan resulted in the discovery of 6 suspicious files in the threat category sniffer. The program summary correlates the specific files with the actual threat or program they are included in. As you can see in this scan, 2 of the discovered files were associated with the switch sniffer threat, while 4 of the files were associated with USB trace. For the switch sniffer application, we identified 2 of the 10 files associated with the threat, while for the USB trace, we identified all of 4 of the files associated with the threat. The directory or file system you are searching may or may not contain all the files that are associated with a specific threat. Some of the files may have been deleted, were unnecessary, or were optional items. The Hits Detected table provides detailed information about each hit, or the file, that was discovered during the scan. Each row of the table represents a hit, and the contents of the columns include important information. For example, the category the hit is associated with, the program name that the hit came from, the file name of the offending file, the MAC or modified access and created times of the file, the MD5 hash value of the hit, the full path name of the detection, the size of the file, and the original file name and type. The original file name represents the name of the file as it appears in our archive of threats. Since we perform our search based on many factors, if the suspect or system has changed the file name, we will still detect the threat. If the file name differs from the original, it may indicate that the suspect attempted to cover his or her tracks by altering the name. For example, you will notice that the file disguised as winnt.exe was actually the USB trace.exe. In the center of the Scan Results dialog box, you notice the button View XML Report. Pressing this will launch a more traditional forensic report with the same information displayed here in the interactive results window. You can also access the report from the directory where it was saved, our desktop in this example, or from the menu bar under the Reports menu item.